morning, children. How are you? I hope everyone fine in your home. So yesterday we discussed about polynomial. What is polynomial? Types of polynomial. It means linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. How? Based on degrees, we are going to conclude that it belongs to which polynomial. Yes or no? Yes. And also one more we discussed that one. What is that? Coefficients of the polynomials and also degree of the polynomial also we discussed, right? So coming to this class, we have to discuss zero of a polynomial. What is that? Zero of a polynomial. What is the zero of a polynomial? That for example, see that 2x minus 3 is a polynomial. 2x minus 3 is a polynomial. Here the variable is x. Then that is why p of x equal to 2x minus 3. What is the p of x? Polynomial of x variable. Polynomial of x variable. So now we are going to find the zero of the polynomial. It means which value we are substituting the x variable, we will get the zero value. And we are going to substitute in the place of x, we will get that answer is 0. It means the value of the polynomial is equal to 0. That is the 0 of the polynomial. For example, see here, find the value of the polynomial of 2x minus 3. Now we are going to finding the value of the polynomial. Let us see. Let's p of x equal to 2x minus 3. What is that? P of x means polynomial of x variable equal to 2x minus 3. The polynomial are already given to us. Now what we are going to do? We want to substitute that x equal to 1 in the given polynomial. So that is why first one, take here x equal to 1. So replace x by 1. We have to substitute the value. We are going to replace x by 1. So that is why see p of 1 equal to 2 into 1 minus 3. See where we have the value of x, we substitute the 1 in the place of x. So that is why p of x means we have to write here p of 1 and equal to here 2x minus 3. Here we have x value. What we are going to do here? We have to replace the x by 1. So here we have x. So that is why we have to replace 1 in the x place. Now see what is the value here? 2 into 1, 2 minus 3. What is that? What is the value of 2 minus 3? It is minus 1. So that is why the value of the polynomial is minus 1. When we replace x equal to 1, we will get here the value of polynomial is minus 1. That value of p of x is minus 1, not equal to 0. Now we want to find 0 of the polynomial. Then see here. Then see the value, we want to find the 0 of the polynomial. So here the value is p of x equal 2x minus 3. The polynomial is 2x minus 3. We have to equating that in this polynomial, we are equating it by 0. It means see for example 2x minus 3. This is the polynomial. We are going to equating by it 0. Why? The value of the polynomial here equal to 0. We want that one only. So that is why see 2x equal to, just we have to transpose the value to RHS. We will get here plus 3. Agree or not? And also see x equal, again we have to transpose the value to it is into RHS. It will be 3 by 2. Now we want to replace x by 3 by 2. Replace x by 3 by 2. Just see p of 3 by 2, 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3. Once see here, the value of x equal to 3 by 2. So that is why the value we have to substitute. We have to replace x by 3 by 2. So that is why see, where is the x is there? Polynomial x. So we have to write here that substitute the value 3 by x, and also 2 we have 2, and also here we have x. So that is why we have to substitute the value 3 by 2 here, and also minus 3 also there. Just see, just cancel here 2 and 2. So what is the remaining? 3 minus 3. Then see here, what is the value? 0. So therefore 3 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. Did you got it? Alright, very good. Now let us consider another example. Just see, p of x equal to x plus 2. Here find the value of p of 1, p of 2 and p of minus 2. In these values, what are the zeros of the polynomial? What are the zeros of the polynomial? Yes, so what we are going to do here, we have to replace the values by 1, 2, like that we have to replace the values. In that way, finally we got the result. In that result, based on the result, what are the zeros of the polynomial? So now let us see what is the zeros of the polynomial. Just see, let's take p of x equal to x plus 2. So p of x means polynomial of x variable. Polynomial of x variable, that is equal to x plus 2, that is given to us. Now case 1. What is the case 1? We have to find here the value p of 1. So now it is replace x by 1. We have to substitute the value 1. Then see here, p of 1 equal to 1 plus 2. Why we have 1 means the value, where is the x is there, we substitute there 1 because of the given that one only. So replace x by 1. So that is why we have to replace here. Where is the value of x? We have to replace by 1. Here also we have to put here 1, and also here also we have x. So that is why we have to replace by 1 here. Then what is the value here? 3. Then therefore p of 1 equal what we get here? 3. It is 0 of the polynomial? No. The value is not equal to the 0. So that is why the p of 1 is not 0 of the polynomial, because of our result will be 3, that not equal to 0. So that is why the value of p of 1 is not a 0 of the polynomial. The value we already replaced here, the p of 1. Now we are going to replace p of 2. We have to find here a value p of 2. It means see, let p of x equal to x plus 2, with that case to p of 2. Then see what we are going to do, just replace s. Replace x by 2. Replace x by 2. It means we have to substitute the value of 2 in x place. So that is why see p of 2 equal to x means we have to replace there 2. 2 plus again we have 2. Why means see, the where is the x place, we have to substitute the value 2. Replace x by 2. So that is why what is the value of 2? Here 4. Then see, when we substitute the value 2, we get the p of x equal, the value of p of x equal to 4. The polynomial is, we get here the value is 4. So it is also, the p of 2 is also not 0 of the polynomial. Of minus 2. That is case 3. Let's see, p of x equal, what is that given to us? X plus 2. X plus 2. Now we are going to replace x by minus 2. X by minus 2. Okay, because of that is given to us. Now see, p of minus 2 equal, where is the x is there? We have to substitute there minus 2. We replace the x by minus 2. So that is why we have x here. Then we have to replace there by 2 and here also 2. Just cancel here, we get 0. Then therefore p of minus 2, the value, when we substitute the value minus 2, that polynomial is equal to 0. Equal to 0. Therefore p of minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Then see which value is, what value is equal to the 0 of the polynomial. Those are we are calling here zeros of the polynomial. See here, when we replace here the 1, we get the value of polynomial here 3. And also see one more case too. When we replace by 2, we get here the result is 4. In these two are not zeros of the polynomial. So because of that value is not equal to the 0. So that is it. Coming to the p of minus 2, the value of p of minus 2 is that polynomial is equal to the 0. So that is why the value of polynomial is equal to the 0. So that is why therefore the p of minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial.